Being able to sort data is also very important. For example, I've got the products table still open. If I wish to sort this particular list by product name, one approach would be to go for the product name column heading. The product name column heading has a little drop down, and if you click the little drop down, you'll have the option to sort from A to Z. And so suddenly I have Alice Mutton at the top, which is product 17. If I hit, and the little arrow is pointing up, which tells me that this particular column is currently sorted in ascending order. If I then click that little button, I can choose Sort Z to A, which puts this particular product, product 47, at the top, and the little arrow is now pointing downwards, which tells me that this is currently sorted in descending order by product name. If I then hit the little triangle again, I can actually clear any sorts, or actually go back to A to Z. Let's start with that first. If I want to go to sort by price, not only can I sort alphabetically, but I can also sort numerically. Let's go to unit price and hit the drop down. Here you can sort from smallest to largest, so my cheapest product is at the top, or I can click it again and sort from largest to smallest, which puts my most expensive product at the top. So it sorts intelligently numerically, alphabetically, and if I had dates, it would sort chronologically. Even yes/no fields, such as we have here with discontinued, if I click the drop down on that, I can sort by those that are cleared or those that are selected. If I choose to sort by those that are cleared, suddenly I have all the ones that are ticked at the top and the ones that aren't ticked at the bottom, and vice versa. So you can easily sort by any particular column. If I then want to remove a sort, I've got this button here to remove sort, and that will clear all the sorts. Done. If I then want to sort again, but not using this particular drop down, I just want you to be aware you can click in any particular column, perhaps supplier, and you can go ascending this way or descending this way. And again, you can remove the sort this way. So you have buttons up here on your ribbon in the sort and filter group, but you also have them available in your drop down here. If I want to sort by more than one column, then I'll select more than one column. For example, I might decide to put supplier in front of product name, so I'll just click on the column heading supplier and I'll move that in front of product name. I'll then click on the column heading category and select the column category, and I'll drag that and move that after supplier. So now I have supplier, category and product name. If I then highlight the three columns and I go A to Z, it's basically sorted by supplier first, then within that it's sorted by the category, and then within that it's sorted by the product name. And you can see suddenly I have up triangles on all three columns, saying that I've sorted. And again, I can remove the sort. So sorting is pretty straightforward.